Gotta go straight to the gas station. There's like absolutely no gas right now. It's on fumes. See what I mean? Hopefully it sounds better than that after I put some gas in it. But other than that, it sounds good. I really hope I don't stall like on the way there, just because I gotta go to work. Oh, it just smells so good, dude. Got fresh oil in there too. Just smells like a 25-year-old Honda, and I love it. It smells exactly like when I bought it, which I only bought it like, I don't know, 3-4 years ago now. I think 4. Like, this is the year for her though, I'm telling you. I'm gonna have money and all that to fix her up. She gonna be good. This is the difficult part. Turning it, because she doesn't really have all the clearance due to some aftermarket plastics here. Or not that, it's not even the plastics, it's these things, the handlebars, the clip-ons. They're at like such an angle where when they touch the plastics, it's a little bit, the clearance is a little bit not the best. But I mean, it works, see? It still turns. Alright, straight to the gas station. Luckily, it's like not even a half a mile away. I turned the idle down a little bit because it was a little bit high. Wow, this is like laying in the bike. This is nothing like the 636, dude. Wow. The feeling of this is like, it's a whole different beast, dude. I feel like I'm fucking really laying into something. I want to switch this. I hate how short this is, dude. I need it long like this. I like these kind of style levers. Here we go. My heart is racing. Front brake. I don't have rear brake right now. I don't know if like the brake line went out or what on the rear brake, but no rear brake, just front brake. And the front brake sucks right now because I WD-40 the rotor. Oh yeah, I forgot. I gotta use high beams for a headlight too because my low beam is out. Back to the wonky bikes, bro. Oh no, other than that, it's nice. Sounds good. Oh shit. Man, the brake sucks. I gotta be careful with that. It's just the WD-40. Once it rubs off, I'll be good. Whoa. I mean, feels a little rough, but a little smooth, if that makes sense. I'm hoping after I put gas in it feels a lot better. It's alright right now, it's alright. The temperature is not the best, it's going up already at 171. 172, 173, 174. Pretty sure the 636 at this point is around like 150 pound for 160. If I leave at 140, and I left at 140 on this, yeah, it's already 180. I'm worried about higher than 180. All right, it stopped at 180, and it's at 179, boys. Let's go! 178. Let's go! I fucking did it! I fixed the fucking radiator, dude. Let's go, bro. No way. Alright, I'm too hyped right now. We're only 2 minutes into this. We still gotta make it to the gas station, boys. 176. Dude. No way, bro. I don't know if last time I like didn't burp it right or whatnot. I tried to do my best with it this time, but I think last time I didn't burp it right. There's a fucking sheriff. I think last time I didn't burp it right, and that's why it started like overheating on me. I have no mirror, so I really hope that sheriff doesn't come after me. But I really don't give a shit. Like, oh yeah, my bad. It's a project bike. Still finalizing it. Nah, he's out. But yeah, dude, 178. Let's go. But before it was like overheating from the get-go, like the first time around. And I think that's why the radiator kept overheating, and that's why it finally blew up. The radiator, it like cracked, and that's why it just started. Oh my god, the bike's going out. Luckily the gas station's right here, because the bike is dying. It just lost power for a second. I know for a fact it's the gas, because dude, it is on fumes. I had to add lawnmower gas into it from the right can. But here we are, we'll fill it up. I don't even have turn signals on this thing, I completely forgot. Alright, with the shitty brakes. Oh, they're a little bit better now. WD-40 is wearing off. Oh no, it's not. It's still pretty bad. Dude, we made it. 180. Oh my god, boys. I'm actually like in disbelief right now. We got the fucking 929 back on the road. Beautiful. Now we just gotta go back, clean it, and we're good. You know you gotta shave when you're only 26 and motherfuckers are calling you sir. Because other than that, man, I got a baby face. People always tell me I look so young. Like after I shave, I literally look like I'm fucking 15. No difference from when I was like 15 and I'm 26. Wild. But anyway. Alright, so this bike takes 87. It's recommended 87 in the owner's manual and everything. I mean octane rating. While the 636 is 93. Or no, it's 91 plus, excuse me. And the Ninja 250R, I believe, is 87, or it's just right, like anything goes. I gotta double check it though. I think it might be 87. I think both of them are 87, and then the other one is 91 plus, which I just fill it up with 93, obviously. There's a fucking big ass bug or something right in my helmet. That is horrifying. Oh nice. I had to like prepay it inside for some reason because it's not working out here, and I asked for $12, and look at that, $12 is exactly enough. What the fuck? It's like we never were apart, I swear. I did miss you though. Dude, look how dirty this shit is. Jesus, gross. Gotta fucking, there's so much pollen that like this thing got tinted yellow. Good thing the bike's already yellow, so you can't really notice. Ready? The sound of the beast. I told you, it's just the gas. It sounds so much better on startup now. I don't know if you see me there. That guy usually waves. He's like the waving man. See what I mean? He waves at everybody. It's so dope. He's like famous around here. He literally waves at everyone. Alright, 164. Dude, these temps are nice. Oh, baby, we are so back, dude. Sorry if this is a boring ride, it's just he hasn't been rode in a long time, so I kind of want to take it easy. But dude, we are so back, like 180. It's a little bit wonky right now, but it's always been wonky down low. She likes to be pushed hard, this bike. Fucking the homeless men. Oh dude, there's garbage everywhere too. That ruins the video kind of, my bad. But other than that, dude, nature out here, beautiful. I was hoping to have this bike back on the road. Oh shit, there's someone behind me. Hoping to have this bike back on the road when it was like the dandelion bloom a couple of months ago, or maybe a month ago, but it's alright. Right now, dude, there's a fucking lightning bug bloom. It's insane. Last night, me and my mother, she takes me to go get groceries and stuff like that, just because she's got a car and I don't, and that way it helps me out. And right across this whole field, and I'll show you right here, this little patch right here, there was the most lightning bugs I've ever seen in my entire life. And I'm telling you, it was probably one per like square centimeter or square inch. There was just one going choo 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 choo, and these fish were dancing, dude. It was so beautiful because the sun just like went down, so it's like that little bit of blue that's left across the sky while everything's kind of getting dark. It was like magical, dude. That shit was like a fairy tale. I don't want to stop riding. I gotta go to work though. I gotta put the plastics back on. But we're gonna go for another little corner here. Good so far though, 181. First time. Shifting is terrible on this bike. I gotta get used to it. Plus it's all a little wonky, it's gotta get dialed in. But other than that, man, so back. There we go, that was a decent hit. It is like 80 degrees outside right now too, so I mean 178 after riding for like 78 minutes. Not bad. There we go. Oh god, it needs a tune though. I just modded it so much. She doesn't like having the clutch pulled in the higher gears, but at least it doesn't like stall when I do that like it used to. right now, I believe. Back to pounding gears, boys. It does do it. See what I mean? I don't know why it does that. Actually, I think I do. Hold up. It might be the idle. Let's pull over. No, because it's idling perfectly at 1300, so it can't be that. Because I turned the idle down a little bit on the choke thing, but it can't be that. Aha, it is. Where's the choke thing? I just want to turn it a little bit. Give a little twisty twist. There it is. Still, it's getting a little hot. It's at 193 and going up now. Bit wonky, he's got to get dialed in, but besides that, good to go. This is where I want it turned up a little bit though. What the fuck? Fucking possum. The fuck? Fucking possum eating the damn cat food.